Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your GE washer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your new GE washer or you're at an Airbnb. How do you actually go ahead and use it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, it's rather simple. The first thing that you're going to do is that you want to go ahead and pull this out. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and add in your pre-wash detergent, your liquid detergent, and your liquid bleach, and then once it's loaded, go ahead and close it. Now over here is where you're going to go ahead and load your clothes. So go ahead and side load your clothes by placing it into there. Now in order to turn it on, you're going to go ahead and press this power button, and now you can cycle between different modes. So there's a delicate mode, a quick wash, a normal mode, a cold wash. So go ahead, and I normally just select the normal mode right over here. And afterwards, you want to go ahead and click on this button here to start it, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your GE washer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.